Jamaica. It's proud to announce to you, my fellow citizen of Jamaica, a man who represents the music from that time to this time, the prophet, Capleton. Original Fireman. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fireman. The king of fire. The only. The prophet. Legend. Everyone looking at Portland. Let me tell you something. You don't know I'm going to deal with lazy people. I'm going to deal with lame people. Now, part of the showing them, if your heart is not clean, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't say good over evil, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't say life over death, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't say money over war, keep it on your side. If you don't respect your mother and your father, let me tell you the problem again. You like it to work with me, please. It's a video, man. Push the video, man. Take the video off of me. Go on now, here. Oh, Vanessa. Yo, drop the shot. Hello, man. Hello. Everybody start real. What the drop there? What do?
Ikaw na rin sa yan, you can carve it. Copy of the next media. Good luck.
Hold on. Now I'm gonna test them right now. When I say Portland, you say Tonio. Portland? When I say port, you say land. Port! Port! When I say more, you say fire. More! More! When I say Jah, you say Rastafari. Jah! We want them up, we want them up, we want them up, we want them up. Give me a wheel! I'm human. I can see that the wicked my heart. Matching, and I'm going. Jump, hold up. Tight pants boy, you don't get way. Bleach out face boy, you don't get way. The boy that will feel like we look a bit in them, you don't get way. Now tell them something. Stop killing the woman them. When you kill the woman, then you kill procreation. Stop killing the children. Because if you kill the children, you kill the future. All I want agree with me once in a year. Man, video man, guess that one now. Go so. Look at that, go. Hold on. proud Jamaican in Portland. Every proud Jamaican in Portland. All who believe in yourself. All who not be a traitor or a sellout to your heritage, your culture, your philosophy, and your curriculum. And you will never, ever stoop to the limitation in Babylon and accept the stripping of the royalty and say yourself is all good. All who believe in yourself, lion paw. Oh, my video man, catch our again now. Lion paw! Everybody! Hold on. You're not done. You're gonna get well. Stop again. Me have to dash that fire here. And big up yourself. Savant, big up yourself, you know the thing go. I'm gonna tell you something. That part of the show, we have to dash that fire for injustice, inequality, manipulation, death without dignity, exploitation, racism, sexism, cannibalism, vampirism, ice age, global warming, SARS, anthrax, smallpox, swine flu, bird flu, maternity hospital operation, combat unit, AIDS, Ebola, and most ultimately, COVID-19. Give me a lion paw. Lion paw! Everybody get ready. Everybody get ready. Everybody go follow. Follow Capleton. Dash a fire. Dash a fire. What am I going to do? Dash a fire. Oh, dash a fire. Dash a fire. Babylon. Dash a fire. Dash a fire. Dash a fire. Anybody can jump? From 9 minutes, nobody can jump now. Portland one, two, no foot. Oh. Yeah. I know the man that love do man, the man that here. Whoa. Yeah, run the track. Sing my song, you know. I know that me say, you know. You know what I hear me say? Alright. Because I say, I'm try, you know. I love when still, you know. Lovely audience. Love when I can sing to. Look like I'm going to take voice training or something. Yo, anyway. Portland I'm a place for there, I want to feel people. Anyway, watch out. Me say. Well, if you continue to do it, then I say we have to slow it. Come and tell you, no, if you charm, if you chew it, if you screw it. You want me to do it fast now? Well, if you continue to do it, then I say we have to come and tell you, if you charm, if you chew it, if you screw it. When I saw my true Capleton fans. Why? What am I going to do? Listen, I want to hear. Do you have the ability to make it? Hey, Portland. Who them a put out what them a try? This can say that's you. Who them a never see them with the spell? This is man will have them. Who them a put out them Marcus? Them this Marcus and all them a buy. Anybody can jump again? Anybody can jump again? Portland! Run it again. Remember the sound of it. Hey! A while ago, I say now, I say I'm a true Capleton fan. Half of the crowd and go up in the air. Don't feel like me greedy, I'm going to take everything. Every artist have them fans. Don't forget that. Me tell you something about me. Me never come on one show yet and say me I go kill off everybody, and I go murder everybody, and I come take show. No, if 10 artists is on the show, 10 different fans in the audience. So you know what I try to do at all times? Perform for my fans to the best of my ability. And then if we can win some new fans, much the merrier. I work with that. You know why I'm telling you that? All I know that Capleton sing it. Now why you hear come on, lotion, you know lotion, man. Yo, tell it again. Tell it again. King of fire here. Remember the one now? Sing the one now. Oh, yeah, the one now. Them no lie, we no lie. Them are we enemy. Them no lie, we are. You know I know something about me. You know I know something about me. You know I know something about me. Look. Me no smoke grabber. Me no backstabber. Never this me dada. Never this me mother. Take care of me, use them and me baby mother. Always be a brother from another mother. You love ninja and shabba. Junior Gang and Raga. Super Capture, King Atla and Spraga. You go put the wheel on one of the wheel and look. You want to hear something about me again? You want to hear something about me again, Portland? Look. We no run through. I'm on the fire. I'm on the fire. And I try again, that is mine. Yeah. I'm on the fire. I'm on the fire. I'm on the fire. Give me the woman now. Oh, the woman is on to. This one is on, baby. Why this one, baby? Why are the one Portland and sing that one now? Oh, baby, don't cry. Shoot. Hold on. Sugar, hold it. One a cappella. I don't want you no man to sing that one. In them. Everybody. Sing. Somebody to love. All right, sugar. Change your. Take it up. If you believe in yourself, if you don't have a light up with a cellular phone in the air, all I want about the wickedness you are going in the world. All I want about dirty Babylon. Rastafari is the ultimate. Keep the fire burning, never be a traitor. Don't sell out yourself. Push them over the center. Over there, sir. Yo. Push them right on them. Yo, open up one. Over there, sir. And the day that we love to see their face. For all those people ready to be human race. And try to get things out of place. Run away to space. Shooting in our ears. But the one that touched them, they're all over my face. When them find us out, them can't escape. Stop me face and hide the paper. What's up? That devil Don't make same time. Don't make them. I got everybody to nice up labor. Where are you, man? Give me a wheel. no deal. No for them no one put them shoulder to the wheel. So them go rape, them go rob, them go kill and steal. All a Chinese, all another man deal. We not deaf, we not dumb, we not blind, finger feel. One man was ready to open the seal. Emperor Selassie, I know Israel. Babylon get champion of it. Where's that? Where's that, sugar? You want me to sing a cappella? That next door to Portland. Ah! Whoa!